Welcome. Today we're going to walk through the simple steps to update your gender on LinkedIn. Whether you've recently updated your information or just want to make sure your profile reflects you accurately, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it. First, open the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, tap your profile picture located in the top left corner of the screen. This will open your personal menu, where you can access various settings and account options. Next, scroll down and select Settings. This is where LinkedIn keeps most of your account controls and personalization features. Once inside Settings, look for the section labeled Account Preferences and tap it. This is where you'll find tools related to the personal information on your profile. Now, within Account Preferences, scroll until you see Personal Demographic Information. Tap this option to move forward. This section allows you to adjust private and public details that LinkedIn uses to personalize your experience on the platform. From here, tap on Gender. A new screen will appear, giving you the ability to select the gender that best represents you. LinkedIn lets you choose your preference directly, providing flexibility for updating your profile whenever needed. Once you've made your selection, simply save your changes. That's it. You've successfully updated your gender on LinkedIn. Taking these small steps ensures your account truly represents who you are and keeps your profile accurate and up to date. If you ever want to make adjustments again in the future, you can follow these same steps. It only takes a minute, but it's an important way to make sure your information reflects you. Thanks for watching.